Hello, gorgeous. Let's paint some parrots.
This is a portrait of Simon and Glen, derbyan parrots. I sketch everything in acrylics. I make sure that the shapes are accurate, and I put in the darks and the feathers, especially on the right hand parrot, are a little scruffy and wet, so I put the nice texture. They have this beautiful purplish blue color and green, emerald green wings. Now I am layering on the beaks. I put in more details on the beaks, very nice and orange and yellow. And then I layer on some more details. I put the eyes, I fine-tune the shapes, some details, not too many. And there they are, Simon and Glen.